Whenever I see someone who just wants to do their best, and let's face it, right? Who out there doesn't want to do their best? My knowledge sharing tips come into view. And as someone with such affluence, knows so much about Confluence, I know exactly what to do. And even on your team, though it's the messiest I've ever seen, don't worry, I'm determined to help you. Follow my cue, and yes, it's true, you will learn. Confluence. You're gonna love Confluence. We'll build out the perfect flow with the pages so easy for the team to find. We'll show them how to write with flair, keep the structure clear, everything that really counts with Confluence. We'll shape it in Confluence. We'll link up the right reports, show the Jira boards, make the space your team should know. So let's start, 'cause we've got an awesome place to grow. Don't be concerned with all this terminology. It's unleashing every type of team psychology. Now that we're jumping into automation and workflow creation, we are quite impatient here when it comes to Confluence. We'll share it from Confluence, and here to assist your flow is your friend Rovo to handle stuff your team just sends. They're all depending on you understanding Confluent lens. La 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 la, I'm gonna teach you Confluence. When I see disparate features used by teams who need some teachers, I'm here to remind them all that they can use. They're great tools to collaborate, especially great communicators. Can they all share their knowledge? Of course they can. They have Confluence, right? It's all there in Confluence. It's not just a knowledge base, it's the central place for the teams to work and be very good with Confluence, like me. And though you're confused, I'm sure you'll get used to work collaboratively. Soon you're gonna sense it, your newfound Confluence-ity. La 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 la. La la, ooh, you'll know Confluence. Just not quite as much Confluence as me. We'll shape it in Confluence. We'll link up the right reports. Space your team will know. So let's start, 'cause we've got an awesome place to grow.
Woohoo!